Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Living Flavors with Sunitha. This video will be a Club Factory review. Most of you wanted me to share the review of Club Factory haul. So this is the first time I have ever shopped in this app. So I was a little doubtful about this app, but nowadays most of them are ordering from this app. So I thought I can give it a try because all the products available are very cheap in price. So I'm yet to open this package. So I'll open and show you what are all the products that I have ordered. So come on, let's get started. Hi. என்ன இருக்குன்னு பாப்போமா? Hi. லிப்ஸ்டிக் அடிச்சு. இதுல என்ன இருக்கு டிட்டு? என்ன இருக்கு இதுல? லிப்ஸ்டிக் அடிச்சല്ലോ. The first product in this purchase is this storage box. I bought 3 of them. So the price of this is 104 rupees each. And according to me, the plastics are not of that quality. It is not sturdy. It is flexible. But when we store it inside a drawer or cupboard, I guess this is okay. And the next product is this storage bag or box. And I'm really disappointed with this product because when I saw this product in Club Factory app, it was just like a storage box which was looking very strong kind of thing, but when I received it, it's like a bag. So what they show in the image is not the product that they have delivered, so I'm really not satisfied. And the price of this is 201 rupees. Maybe I can use this as a lunch bag. And the next one is a earring. So I did order few earrings and chains from this app. So they have packed each and every product in a separate cover or a ziplock kind of pouch. So this earring is for 83 rupees. And the next product is again a earring, and there were many shapes available in this model of earring. These are called as geometrical earrings, and I bought the triangle one, and the price of this is 64. And all the earrings that I show in this video are very stylish and also light in weight. And the next one is also an earring, and the price of this is 81. And I love this earring because it is very light in weight, and also this looks stylish. The quality of the products are not that great. And the next product is the hair clip, and when I saw the image in the Club Factory app, I had a different impression on this product, but when I received it, it is a okay kind of product. There was one bead that was missing, but it was fallen inside the pouch, so I think I can stick it. So it was quite bigger in size, and the price of this is 95 rupees. And there were color options available: black, blue. And the next one is the owl vintage necklace or a chain, and the price of this is 87 rupees. And I'm in love with this chain, I should say, because it is very light in weight again, and it is very classy. And I bought the shade of bronze. The next product is a multi-layer feather necklace or a chain, and I selected the gold option, and I'm not much satisfied with this gold one. Maybe the silver one would have looked better. And it has 3 layers in it. It is looking stylish, and the weight is again light, but I did see few reviews that the color of this fades away after regular use. And the next product is also a chain, my favorite product in this purchase. This is a very simple chain which has only one bead in it. The price of this is 68 rupees. And the next product is this tea infuser, and I bought the Hearten shade, and there are several shapes available, and the price of this is 113 rupees, and the material is quite good in quality. And the next product is this cute little earring, and I'm satisfied with this earring. It is light in weight again, and the price of this earring is around 68 rupees. And the next product is this scraper, and this is known as foldable table gas stove blade, and the price of this is 89 rupees. This is used to clean all the dirt that is accumulated in between the burners and also in the corners of the gas stove. And the next product is this brush, which is used to clean the dirts that are accumulated in the window. The price of this is 81 rupees, and it is too early for me to give you feedback regarding these products. So I'll use them and I'll share the feedback with you all, and I'll tell you if it is worth the price. And the next product and the last product are these rings. These are set of 5 rings, and the price of this is 134 rupees, and these are adjustable rings, but there are few rings that are available in Club Factory which are not adjustable, so please go through the review before you buy one. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and I hope you found this video useful. So in Club Factory the price might vary. Sometimes there might be good offers, and sometimes the prices are too high, and the quality of the product is not that great, but for the amount that we pay, I guess it's okay. Do leave your suggestions and feedback in the comment section below, and if you like this video, do give a huge thumbs up and support me. It really means a lot to me. See you guys next time with another interesting video or another interesting vlog. Until then, take care. Bye.